Welcome back to Will It Read, hosted by Infrrd Intelligent Document Processing, where we try to stump our AI-driven machine learning first solution by asking it to extract from the most complex kinds of documents. I'm Teresa, and my colleague here with me today is Rahul. Today, we are demonstrating document automation of pay stubs. Anyone who has ever been employed has likely seen a pay stub. Pay stubs are a type of income document that a lot of companies need to analyze in order to figure out the earning potential of a person. Companies that often see pay stubs are ones that often lend money to people, like mortgage lenders. Essentially, any company that needs to assess assets of a person will find these documents relevant to their business. All right, Rahul, let's check out the demo.
Awesome. Let me share my screen then. Okay, so I have my Paystub model ready. Do you want to search a Paystub on Google?
Yeah, let's start there. Find
Okay,
something completely fresh.
awesome. Let's do an ADP Paystub. All right,
Yeah, anyone would be fine, maybe even just the first one.
sure. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to open this and make sure this is not a thumbnail. Yeah, this looks like an ADP Paystub. Okay, let's upload this and see how that goes.
Right?
I'm going to save this as an image. Okay, let me upload this now. Let's go to upload. Drag and drop this file is uploaded.
So tell me, Rahul, why is this document potentially challenging?
The biggest challenge with Paystub is that they contain data in a mix of tables and key value pairs. The name of the employee and the address might be present on the top of the document, and the monthly salary and deductions in a table. To do a good job of reading this document, the IDP solution needs to marry data across these layouts.
Awesome.
Okay, let's check the document. The extraction is complete. So we identified the check date by default. So if you see here, the check date comes as the pay date, even though it says the pay date, we standardize the attributes across any pay stub. As you can imagine, anyone can call this whichever name they want. Client name is Jane Harper. That's the employer. And we also extract which period does this pay stub belong to, the end date and the start date.
Awesome.
Mhm.
Wow, and the solution's never seen this before.
Nope, we just downloaded this from Google and we ran it across our out-of-the-box model for pay stubs.
Awesome. What about tables?
Let's go to tables and check out what we extracted from this section of the document.
Awesome. So what kinds of complexities are there in this document in terms of data extraction?
As you notice, this document contains both pay period amounts and a year till date amount. So if you check this section here, it has the group term light for this period and year till date. So these are some of the complexities involved, and both of them need to be extracted and presented separately to the end user.
Very cool. Well, maybe let's just test the system and upload one more sample.
Sure, let me go to Google and let's search for just pay stubs this time. There are a lot of samples. We just need to pick which one has some good mock data.
Your choice, dealer's choice.
Okay, well, let's run this one. This looks like a pay stub. It has some data. Let's try to run this and see if we are able to extract something out of this.
Great.
Go to my pay stub model, upload this new document. All right, the file is uploaded and our platform is going to extract the values soon.
Awesome. So I think pay stubs likely come in so many different sources, so many different kinds of layouts across them. How
Mhm.
does Inferred handle variation?
Multiple variations or multiple templates is the exact challenge that Infrrd addresses. Every employer seems to have their own versions, which are constantly changing. We solve this challenge with ML first template free algorithms.
Awesome.
Looks like it has processed successfully. Let's check out the results. Wow. With a variation that we have never seen before, we just downloaded this from Google. We were still able to extract a lot of these things like check date, the client name, client address, employer information, pay period, and a lot of different attributes around what's the gross pay versus net pay. It looks pretty good.
That's so amazing. Well, I guess, we can imagine the efficiency gain that this brings to various different companies processing pay stubs. Super
Hmm.
awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Let the automation begin.